Hi everyone, this is Bailey with the Copperbridge Memorial Public Library, here to bring to you our third Teen STEAM project, a paper roller coaster. Kits for this project are available in the Teen Department on Level 4 while supplies last. This week's activity sheets and instructions come from Science Buddies, and I'll leave a link to their site in the description box below if you want to check them out. Roller coasters can be fun and thrilling to ride, but have you ever thought about how they work? This is your chance to learn the ins and outs of how they run while designing your very own roller coaster. In your kit, you'll find a packet with instructions and a scientific explanation of roller coasters, templates you can use for your track, a bead to test your design's functionality with, and a piece of cardboard you can build your roller coaster on. You'll also likely want to grab a pair of scissors and tape. You can either make your own track segments out of cardboard with guidance from the instruction sheet, or you can directly use these templates, cutting and taping them to fit your vision. The first thing you'll want to do is figure out how you want your roller coaster to look, brainstorming what kind and how many pieces you'll need. Keep in mind that you'll likely want to start with a hill and then go from there. I'll demonstrate how to fold each type of track segment, including hills or loops, supports, and curves. Just like the paper explains, you'll fold on the dotted lines and cut on the solid. There's also a video explanation of how to make these tracks from Science Buddies, which I'll put in the description box. As you can see, once you cut the appropriate spots, the paper is better able to be manipulated, and all you have to do is tape your shape to keep it in place before adding it to the rest of your roller coaster. You may also notice that there is more than one way to use these track segments. You can twist and bend them quite a few different ways to fit how you would like. This right here is how you might start your roller coaster, which is with two supports on either side of a hill. Once you have that basic setup, you can let your imagination run. At the end, you can gauge how sound your design is based on how well your bead travels throughout the track. Does it get stuck? Can you make it over every hill or through all your loops? If you notice a hiccup where the bead can't complete the whole track, use critical thinking and consider what may be the problem before making adjustments. Fallon and I made 2 roller coasters, one out of copy paper and one out of cardstock. This is a clip of them in action. Like your packet explains, you need gravitational potential energy to get roller coasters to run. They gain this energy when they're taken up big hills. Roller coasters have stored potential energy when they are high above the ground, but that energy becomes kinetic once the roller coaster is set in motion. Roller coaster designers ensure that their creations have the initial potential energy necessary to traverse their tracks. Were you able to make a track in which your bead had enough potential energy to make it across? Or do you plan on making adjustments? Either way, we'd love to see your roller coasters. Feel free to send or take us some pictures of your designs.